So ayan guys, may problem tayo dito. If an amount of money P in pesos is invested at R% compounded annually, it will grow to an amount A. A is equal to P times 1 plus R in 2 years. Suppose Miss Madrigal wants her money amounting to 200,000 pesos to grow to 228,980 pesos in 2 years. At what rate must she invest her money? Okay, first of all, I think may problem dito sa problem, which is itong amount na magigain niya or yung amount na magigain niya plus yung interest. So this should be squared as with all interest problems. Yeah, so yan. After nyan, we just substitutes. We copy PA equals the amount is equal to principal amount or yung investment, 1 plus rate squared. And then, just substitute tayo ng amount. It is, ang goal niya, 228,980 is equal to 200,000 times 1 plus R quantity squared. We want R alone, so di natin kailangan yan. 200k, i-divide natin yan. 200k divided by 200k both sides. Sa right side, cancel. Sa left side naman, we'll be left with this fraction. Simplify natin as much as we can. Remove the 0, divide by 10, and both are even, so we can divide by 2. So that's 114, 4, and then 18, so 9. All over to 20,000 divided by 10, divided by 2 is 10,000. Okay, that is equal to 1 plus R quantity squared. Now, to get the 1 plus R, kailangan muna natin tanggalin yung raised to 2, yung exponent. So, para matanggal yan, we'll take the square root. Okay? Take the square root. So, ito magiging 1 plus R na lang. And then yung nasa left side, magiging positive, negative. Remember, when we're taking the square root of something, it's always positive, negative. Okay? It can be either be both positive or both negative. Kaya maglalagay tayo ng positive, negative dito sa results. Ang 1149, pag square root mo siya, is 107. And then yung 10,000 is 100. Okay, lipat natin yung R sa left side, positive. And then, yeah, so basically, lipat natin yung 1 sa left side, magiging minus 1. Pero, i-reverse natin yung left and right hand side para yung R ang nasa left, mas maganda. Okay. So, R equals 1, negative 1, plus or minus. 107 over 100 is just 1.07. Mas madali ata na i-decimal na lang natin because we're talking about rate here. Kaya, decimals are normal. So for R1, we have R1. R1 is negative 1 minus 1.07, totaling to negative 2.07. And then since plus or minus siya, R2 would be negative 1 plus 1.07. Oh, that will be 0.07. So R2. Okay, which one to choose? This is negative interest, so we reject this one because it's negative. We want a positive interest kasi nga magigain yung money niya, hindi siya mawawala ng money. So, dapat positive yung interest. So, this is not the correct answer. We reject this one. And then we accept R2, which is 0.07. 0.07 is just equal to 7%. So the final answer here would be she must invest her money at 7% interest to achieve her goal or something like that. And yeah, done. Finished. Easy.